5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This writ petition has been preferred against the award of the first respondent dated August 23, 1993, made in ID number 497 of 1988, holding that the order of transfer issued by the petitioner under Exhibit M5 transferring the workman Nangya from the job of driver to that of field worker was not justified, and therefore he should be provided with the job of driver in the and division with 50% back wages for the period of his non-employment. Aggrieved against the said award, the petitioner has come forward with this writ petition. The contention of the second and third respondents before the first respondent was that, having regard to the previous conduct of the petitioner as against the third respondent, the present order of transfer under Exhibit M5 cannot be taken to have been issued on administrative grounds but only by way of punishment. Whereas, according to the petitioner, the third respondent was found driving the vehicle belonging to the state under the influence of alcohol and having regard to the risk involved in the allowing him to continue to perform the job of the driver, it was thought fit to transfer the third respondent to some other job without affecting his salary, status, categorization, etc. The petitioner also contended that the third respondent did not report in the transferred place after the receipt of the order of transfer. Dealing with the respective contentions of the parties, the first respondent came to the conclusion that there was no dispute about the power of transfer vested with the petitioner management. According to the first respondent, the grievance of the third respondent that while transferring him from the job of driver to that of field worker, the third respondent's status was affected, which, according to the first respondent, was illegal. According to the first respondent, if the transfer of the third respondent was necessitated for certain reasons, he should have been given an opportunity, and only after establishing such allegations against him, the petitioner should have restored to the order of transfer issued under Exhibit M5. I am unable to accept the said reasoning of the first respondent in holding that an employee could be transferred in the event of any charge having been found proved against him. On the other hand, the relevant clause in the standing order disclose that there should not be a transfer by way of punishment. However, eschewing that part of the award from consideration, I find that though the claim of the third respondent was that by virtue of the order of transfer under Exhibit M5 there was a reduction in his status, I find that there was no material, either oral or documentary, placed before the court to substantiate the said contention except the mere assertion of the side of the third respondent that his status was affected and a general statement made by MW1 in his evidence to the effect that the status of the driver is different from that of a field worker. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस पैसेज का टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है।